What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super quick. I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips that could help you make $1,000 a day off of your social media accounts. These things work for me. So I just wanted to share. Excuse all the boxes in the back. I still have not taken them out of my house because I'm lazy. I got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm just kidding. So, how to make a minimum of $1,000 a day off Instagram and TikTok. It's easier than it sounds like, okay? If you're consistent, if you start posting and things are gonna happen overnight, but you can definitely get your social medias to a point to where you're making $1,000 a day. So, let's get this thing started. Oh, my boo calling me, hold on. Okay, so my tip number one is sharing flyers, posters, promo late at night. Believe it or not, people are scrolling through social media at 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, can't sleep. All of a sudden they're making impulse purchases, or they're like, ooh, a booty program, I definitely want to grow my butt. Or they're like, ooh, skincare products, I want better skin. Or look at those clothes, I need to start dressing better. Like, people all of a sudden just, want to be better late at night scrolling through social media. And people make a lot of impulse purchases late at night. So I highly suggest sharing some sort of promo late at night. It could be a sale, it doesn't have to be a sale, but anything like after 10, 11 p.m. Is great. And you can delete it when you wake up in the morning if you want, like around 9, 10 a.m. But it's a great tip. You wake up in the morning, you're like, damn, I made $500, $600 overnight. Maybe you made $1,000 overnight. Maybe it just depends. Or maybe you're just getting started. Maybe you only make $100 overnight, $50 overnight. But you keep doing it, you're gonna make more money. So tip number one, it's a great tip, okay? Number two, running flash sales. So you can give people a heads up, or you can do it randomly, but having flash sales, like let's say 30% off your website, or free shipping for the next 12 hours only, 24 hours only, 8 hours only, whatever you want to do, whatever you find that works. You can try different time frames to see what works for you, but running flash sales so people feel like, I don't want to miss this deal, let me hurry up and buy. All right, so running flash sales is my tip number two that I think work really well. Tip number three, me sharing IG reels or TikTok videos and me actually putting in the work of my small business. That's been like one of the things that's worked the best for me, when I share videos of me like actually making my oil, or that's really my business. So when I show videos of me actually making my oil or shipping products, that is definitely when I get the most sales. I tend to make a minimum of $1,000 off of a reel when I share a new reel, me making stuff. So I think that's a really good tip. It's not a must, and every business owner doesn't share themselves making their product. You don't have to, but it's just something that's worked for me. So I wanted to share with you guys. And once again, you might not start by making that much off top, depending on the size of your audience or how long you've been doing it, but it's something to think about. And obviously, the more you keep doing it, the more creative you get with the videos, the more money you'll make over time. You just have to be patient. Tip number four, sharing reviews or testimonials. So a lot of the times, like, I'll use my Instagram stories to upload a photo, and then on top of my photo of whatever I'm selling, I'll upload another screenshot of my reviews on that picture, and I'll upload that onto my account, my business account, and that helps get sales. Also, a lot of times I'll do voiceovers on my videos of me reading customer reviews, or I'll let that little robot voice from TikTok, I think Instagram has it too, like read the reviews for me. And if the review was good enough, that actually helped me get a lot of sales. The most I ever made off reading my reviews out loud, or having a little robot read my reviews on a video, was like $5,000. It was a really good day. So yeah, that's my tip number four. And then last but not least, tip number five is running story promo. Now, you don't want to do too much story promo, because the more story promo you do, your views will go down. But then again, it's not always about views. Like, if I'm getting hella views but I'm not making any money, what does it matter? What does it matter? It does not. So yeah, you want to do a good mix of like talking to your audience, engaging your audience mixed with some ads, okay? Because you got to promote your stuff, baby. You got to promote it. And I suggest looking at businesses who are doing well, and just look how they set up their promo that's what I do when I get a lot of tips, and I use Canva to put like little flyers together. So yeah, those are my 5 tips that I had to helping you guys make $1,000 a day off your Instagram and your TikTok. Once again, stay patient. Things don't happen overnight, or it may happen overnight for you, you know what I'm saying? Just get clever with those promos and those ads, and things will pick up for you. What else do we have to talk about today? Oh yeah, you guys, I will be dropping a course really soon, how to dominate your social media and earn a lot of money, because we spend a lot of time on there anyhow. You know, it's possible no matter the size of your audience. A lot of my friends have way less followers than me, and they make way more money than I do. So it's possible no matter your audience size. And I'm really excited to drop this course. I'll be done with it in about a week, so I'll plan on a release date for it. But guys, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope it helps, and God bless.